All right, we are going to Prescott. Go catch some fish. There's Dua. She knew. Alan was supposed to come. What the fuck is... Anyways, Alan was supposed to come. Nathan was supposed to come, but they flaked. So we're gonna catch hella fish. Rub it in their face. See y'all there. All right, so we're getting live bait right now. We're getting some minnows and worms because we don't catch shit. We're gonna use that. Oh, almost tripped, bro. Okay, now we're gonna go fishing. We just got snacks. We went the wrong way. So we're gonna turn back around. But
now we're going straight.
Okay, never mind. We're at the gas station again because Dole had to take a shit. Well, how far are we? 5 minutes away.
He's back. Are you okay now? Cheetos.
We are here. Let's go walk around, try different spots. Do you gonna catch the fish?
Yeah, bro. Biggest one here.
Let's get started. So Dua, what you got on? You got a minnow?
Oh yeah, I got a minnow. 2 sinkers. I did some random shit.
Chidu, what you using? Mimic. He said he was gonna catch a fish on the first cast. He lied. You're a liar. Bro. Whoa.
What big as hell.
I guess we're using worms and minnows.
Hey, we lazy fishing out here, baby.
I guess so, bro.
Dude, I lost 2 already. The first one when you saw me, and the one we got that hook stuck all the way in his mouth, bro.
Say goodbye.
He's just gonna float.
I told you.
Oh, fuck.
I told you.
Oh, fuck. Hey, just hey, pull him in. Oh, he's gone. Nah, that's sad as hell. Hey, how you feel though? You know how I feel now?
Yeah. Chinu finally got it. Say goodbye. This one's gonna live this time.
Yeah, you feel that shit, huh? Damn.
Alright, say.
Oh shit, what the hell? Are you trying to stay late?
Dua got another one. Is she strong?
Oh, fuck.
Oh, we lost it.
Oh, bro.
Cry. My guy's just staring at his rod.
Better fight myself.
Say goodbye, Dua.
Bye, guys.
Say bye, Tinu.